So most people solve this question like cancel this 3 by 3 is equal to 15 divided by 5, right? So now 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? PEMDAS, P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, we have one division and one multiplication, and both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part, right? So now 15. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 15 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this second fraction 5 upon 3 is equal to 3 upon 5, right, times 3. Now 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. So now we have 3 times 3 times 3, right? So 3 times 3 means 9. Then 9 times 3 is equal to 27, right? So the correct answer is 27. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.